Hi there, everyone. Today, we're unboxing a thermal printer that's designed for both home and office use. This nifty device has a variety of connectivity options, making it easy to use with your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. The packaging is quite sturdy and includes all the necessary hardware for setup. Let's take a closer look at the printer itself. It has a sleek and compact design that will fit nicely on your desk. To get started, you'll need to insert the connectivity cable into the right side of the printer. And for Wi-Fi connectivity, it's as simple as plugging in the USB cable. This printer is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. To print from your smartphone or tablet, just download the accompanying app from your device's store. Once you've connected via Wi-Fi using the app, you can start printing right away. And that's it for today's unboxing of this thermal printer. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.